What you know what I'm like you were saying like when I born when your brain will right
mga Pilipino talaga, pag may bisita, talagang abalang-abala. So,
Yay! The candy.
guys, kaya malapit na matapos.
Hmm. What? Yo! Get him. Get the girl. 1,000. Fruit shield. Come on, boy. I'm doing it. Come on, Sims. Come on. Come on, Saints. Come on. Come on. I bought that. I bought this. And I'm done. Here. Whew. One side her was like one light boom, half light being down la 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 ooh la. Cut down! I'm waiting for Sans, okay? Ah, I forgot what's inside of here. Did we get close? I don't know if you could go behind. You can. Oh, I am. Let's see the reaction when. Let's do before they leave. Man, you're with a YouTuber. I got my room sheet. I just need just stuff. Yo, look, if you just go here, it looks like it's chomping. If you get close, it is just smacking. And that means it's chomping. What? This game doesn't make sense. This game actually doesn't make sense. This game doesn't make sense. I'm gonna collect one of you. Here. Yo, we need a map. Whoa. Why do you build a show?
warned Jeff not to tell anyone about this. At the same time, Jenny was also suffering from severe stomach pains and was rushed to the hospital by Carl. By coincidence, the two women ended up in the same hospital. Laura was in so much pain that she couldn't deliver the baby, and the doctor suggested. At that moment, Carl happened to notice a nurse pushing someone who looked like Laura. Thinking about how the picture she had seen so hard that she was turned out to be a fake left Laura heartbroken. She didn't even want to mention it. She discovered that Jenny had also given birth. After Carl left, Laura went into the nursery. The baby next to Laura's daughter was Jenny and Carl's child. She then overheard the nurses admiring Jenny for being the daughter-in-law of a furniture company. Overcome with jealousy, Laura used the excuse of feeding her baby to stay in the nursery and took the opportunity to switch the information of the two babies. After returning to the ward, Laura decided to check out of the hospital and had Jeff go pick up the baby. Because of her guilty conscience, her hands were shaking with fear. Just like that, Jeff and Laura took Jenny's daughter away. Sitting in the rented apartment, Laura had no desire to care for the baby at all. She was only heartbroken over her own fortune.
Kanina ay dumating dito yung hairstyling na nag-home service sa amin ng aking biyanan. Sumaglit lang siya para magamot itong regalo o yung pamasko para sa amin. Mahulaan nyo kaya kung ano to. So binalot niya pa talaga kahit na alam naman namin kung ano naman ito. Meron kasi silang bukid at marami rin silang tanim na olives. At taon-taon tuwing Pasko.
Other brother.
Today's Bible.
Anyone who's done hard time knows you should steer clear of guys with calloused knuckles. Yet when this hulking beast of a man, Daranas Albertos.
Hello guys, medyo mahaba-haba yung travel natin. Pupunta nga kami sa Lucena. Sasamahan kasi namin si Banji ngayon at kumuha naman siya ng passport. Gala kasi namin mag-travel next year at gusto nga namin, kasama na siya. Halos 2 hours and a half na inabot yung travel namin dahil magulan at talaga naman nag-iingat kami. Ayan guys, so dahil ko naman tayo sa Lucena. At yung pagkadaanan ng matong rotonda ay ibig sabihin ay malapit ka na sa Pacific. Alala ko, bata ako, ito ngayon po yung madalas namin puntahan. Pagkapag namin, ay darating na agad kami sa BFA at 3:30 na ako yung festival. Ibigay na rin na nga kami. Pupunta na si Banji sa kanila.
Czechoslovakia.
Ba't ang kanino?
Siyempre, buhay ay yan, ice skating. Dumahin sa siyempre, yan ang nag-aalaga ng skin natin. Ice skating.
Ayan guys, dito naman na kami ni Banji. Pumunta siya ng passport dito sa GFA. Mag-a-upload na daw po siya. Sinamahan namin siya dito sa Lucena.
Guys, si Mandy kaya pala kumuha. May balak mag-abroad. Pinag-break ako sa Saudi. Pinag-intay na ako sa kanya. Hindi ko yung break ako. Huwag ako mag-passport na alis.
Who's ready to crown Daddy C? Good morning, Regina. Dad. Thanks for the ride. Thanks. You're welcome. Thank you to the board for assembling today. We're all here, finally. I've satisfied the requirement of getting married. No more obstacles. No more delays. I believe that people that I, man a right, become the CEO of the right corporation.
Since you the law for tennis.
Yeah, she needs more time to learn.
Before we vote, I'd be interested in your plan for the company, Israel.
My plan?
It's just now.
I actually have this presentation prepared. If you look just here, you see my comprehensive plan to review customers to our have a little. How do you expect the royal family to sign on to this?
Why do you call us? I know what's been all the this.
You don't have to be great. They're their servant. You shovel their shit. Don't talk to my husband like that. If he says he'll get the royal family.
I just think I won't give you to the Queen and Queen without Anna finding out with her parents.
Yo!
Just discuss why work seems with cooking.
Sure.
I study the house.
You almost got me in a fit, you know? Whew. 6:17. I'm still a vampire.
Mama, don't have much time to explain.
How have you managed to offend every eligible nest?
Was married in your mansions, Mama, because I got married.
To whom?
A woman. An American.
An American.
I'm just gonna do the opposite of it.
I hear that they do that.
This
Skaters
is
or
a disaster.
no?
Is she a commoner? Villain. When did you do this? Why did you do this?
Explain everything after dinner.
She's here, unannounced.
Gold Americans. The American wins. This is a turn of events.
These look like bots.
I hadn't told her my full identity, so I would also kindly ask that you pretend to be other people.
Like who?
This woman had just been kicked out of the wealthy family's home by her mother-in-law not wanting. Three weeks later, she suddenly showed up again with her luggage because she was now pregnant with her husband's child. When Sean heard this, he thought he must have missed her. Well, he and his wife had never had anyone.
Ba't na yun, 96% to. June 2025 lang. Yun nga lang, 15.
cycle count na.
Konti pa lang. Ilang beses ka ba nag-prepare sa isang araw na? Simula June, ginamit eh. June, July, August. 6 months nang gamit yan. Ibig sabihin, hindi nga gaano nagagamit. Once a day, 180 days, o 180, bumubo lang siya. Negotiable pa, mabibili mo ng 25 yan.
Maliit lang to eh.
Ito ka lang yung magagandang option kasi gusto mo yung mataas yung battery health tsaka yung bago pa. yan.
Dito, 6.7.
6.7?
6.1 ganito lang.
6.7?
Nakita mo naman yung tura ng diba? Yung puti na dapat bibili mo na 25A, yun. 15 yun eh. Ikaw ba na? I-unsend mo na yung, i-delete mo yung ayaw mo yung sinag ko sa'yo para alam natin.
Malaki pa yung FE ko. 6.5 yung FE.
Kaya nga lab, i-delete mo na nga kung ayaw mo na. Pinapakita ko lang sa yung mga nakikita ko. Kung ayaw mo, di ayaw mo magawa. Wala kang magagawa. Kaya sinang kaya, kasi ganyan din yung nandito sa sandaan na nakaraan, di ba?
Ganito kalaki ang
Lab, yung cellphone ko.
ang liit mo.
This looks so little.
Sus naman lab. Kung ayaw mo, hindi ba? Unsend mo na, para alam ko yung mga ano.
Anong unsend? Ikaw na lang.
Ano?
Anong unsend?
I-delete mo sa'yo. Pinatay ko rin. Sige na, ayaw mo na. Huwag naman na natin.
Six, 7.
Itong isang tamarami na to,
Ano nakita yan?
dito sa ano ko. Ha?
Narap ko yung kabino.
Thank you so much. Ito nga sa Extreme Gadget, oh. iPhone 15
Plus, 26 lang.
O yun pala eh. Mag-inquire ka na dyan.
Free iPhone 11 Pro Max sa 10 lucky shares.
Chop your tree.
Saan yan? O yun.
Chop your tree!
Ano ba na yan? Teach mo na yan. Kaya ano yung sabihin
Saan po,
punta ka natin
Dwayne?
sa Monday? O,
I think I know what's the problem.
yan pala eh.
Hmm.
Hindi mo naman sinasabi sa akin mga hinahanap mo rin eh. Yeah, tigilan mo na yung video na. May
Bye.